Welcome to Think Innovation Minute, showcasing the latest technology breakthroughs across the Think brand family. In the next 60 seconds, we'll be talking about the new ThinkCentre Tiny Clamp Bracket Mounting Kit, the latest addition to the Tiny ecosystem of accessories. This three-piece bracket mounts the ThinkCentre Tiny to ThinkVision monitors, including the new generation of T-Series design. Installation is easy and tool-free. Just attach the clamp to the T-Series stand, then slide and lock into place. The Tiny is securely mounted on the back, with its AC adapter stored within the power cage. So, what does this all mean for you? With its innovative space-saving design, the new Tiny Clamp Bracket is simple to set up, clears the clutter from your desk, and lets you get the most out of your workspace environment. The ThinkCentre Tiny Clamp Bracket, only on a ThinkCentre.